my nature is to be lazy, right? And I think a lot of us are probably that way. But here's what I mean when I say laziness is the key to success. By being lazy, or by lazy just being your natural nature, it forces you to adopt structure in your life.
It's so funny, some people will ask me, how do you stay so motivated? You seem so motivated all the time. How are you so motivated? I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm not. Like, there are so many days that I'm not motivated. It's discipline. It's developing habits.
Really, there was not a second of the day that wasn't spent either in a meeting selling life insurance, on my computer recording a podcast, on camera recording the vlog, or driving all day today. So that's kind of every day. Being lazy forces you to live in a structured environment that develops habits and that ultimately develops disciplines that will ultimately lead to your success.
When my alarm clock went off at 5 and I knew I had to be in a roll call at 6 and that there was going to be a shift leader there that was waiting for me, it wasn't an option. And so this wasn't just me having this self-discipline that I'd always had, and it was forced upon me. You got to be there. People are waiting for you.
We're all extremely creative, but this idea of these templates, these like literally to-do lists of every day, you know that you got to do this, and this. And then like literally as soon as you hit the door, it's just like, boom, let's knock out this. All right, cool, it's midday. We got boom, 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 all these things, and creating whatever we need to create now to make it to where you can just rail through those. Now, some people would say, well, if you've developed those disciplines, if you've developed those habits, if you've got those structures in place, then you're not lazy at all. You're a hard worker. Here's the thing, you can be a hard worker and be lazy at the exact same time. One's internal, one's external. And so there's my point, is that on the outside, I can just absolutely work my face off today. Sell a bunch of life insurance policies, get this run in, go to the gym later. But you know what? It was a mental battle, an internal war that went on to make myself do it. And quite frankly, I don't think there's anything wrong with that.
The way I look at self-discipline, I call it do it anyway. Because the reality is, there's going to be things that you have to do that you don't feel like doing, and that's okay. And by doing so, it's uncomfortable. When you do something that you don't feel like doing, but you know you should do it, it's uncomfortable. But don't let that short-term comfort destroy your long-term success.